So now, boys and girls, we're going to make a paper airplane. If you can find yourself a sheet of paper, you can follow along with Miss Vex and we can make an airplane together. If you can find 2 sheets of paper, let's make 2 because I'm going to be using 2 airplanes in my experiment today. Okay, let's go over and start making those planes. So today, boys and girls, we're going to make a paper airplane. Take your paper and match the 2 corners. Pat the side where you match the corners, then go to the other side and match the corners again and pat that side. Now you're ready to pull your hand across to make your crease. Now your paper is split in half. Take one corner of the paper and bring it to the center where you have your crease. Then run your hand along the side. Do the same thing again. Take the corner, bring it to the crease in the middle, and run your hand along the side. Now you kind of have a house shape or a pentagon. Now this next part is tricky. Feels like you just want to bring the whole side over, but that's not what you have to do. You're trying to make a triangle. So you have to start right at the point and fold the paper over to the center so that you get sort of a triangle shape. Then you do it on the other side again. You have to bring a straight line into the center. Trying to keep it. You have to take it right from the point and then fold it down from the point. It's a little bit tricky. See how much trouble Miss Vex is having to get that point? There. So when you're done, you should have a triangle shape. Then you fold it in half. Fold all of your folds that you've made into the middle and fold it in half. Now we have to make the wings. So what we have to do is take the top part right from the nose, right from the pointy part, and fold it down all the way along to the very back of the plane. The fold gets bigger and bigger as it goes. Then we turn the plane around and we do it a second time. We fold it over right from the nose. Miss Vex started at the back this time and work towards the nose. It's tricky to get it down to the nose. You may not look perfect when you're done. Your mouth might look a little bit squashed. But you try to get your wing to go all the way down to the nose so that we can keep our nice triangle shape. So that we look just like the geese's formation when the flock flies. See how I made a red arrow inside the birds to show the point? Now my plane is in there. It also has a pointed V formation. I'm hoping it can fly as well as the birds do. I made a second plane that was white. This plane I'm going to cut the nose off so that it does not have a pointed nose. See how my orange plane has the nice pointed nose so that I can make a V formation or an arrow out of it? The nose of my white plane is flat. I'm going to make it even flatter. I'm cutting even more off the nose so that it's even less pointy. See how flat it is compared to the pointed plane's nose? Now, the white plane does not have the nice pointed V formation that the orange plane does. So I'm thinking that it won't fly as well as the flock of birds or as the orange plane. Let's take a look and see.